Hello there, my name is Junita Aprilia Christina from Critical Speech 309. Today I will be responding to an issue that is debatable between people, especially the scientists around the world. The motion is, this house believes that human cloning should be legalized. First, let's define the motion. This house, in this issue, refers to the society. Human cloning is the creation of a genetically identical copy of an existing or previously existing human being or growing cloned tissue from that individual. Legalist means make or something that was previously illegal permissible by law. So, from the definition stated, we can draw a conclusion that the society believes that human cloning, the creation of genetically identical copy of an existing human, should be permissible by law. Nowadays, some people were still talking about human cloning, most of them against human cloning, because it could be a serious threat for human dignity. They connecting their opinions with some issues, such as humanity, religion, morals, ethics, and many more. Some scientists have their concern on this issue, with considering human rights and the fact that cloning living creature, animal for the example, have many risks that lead to failure. However, in my opinion, we should consider about the benefit of human cloning. For the example, human cloning can help humans to eliminate the defective or weak genes. It can be a logical step in reproductive technology, can be an invention that can change the world in positive way, improve recovery in traumatic injuries, bring out new and genetically modified genes, eliminate infertility, and cures disorders. Let's pick one example of the advantages of human cloning, which is human cloning can improve recovery in traumatic injuries. People can get into accident unexpectedly, and some of them can get serious injuries that could take a long time to recover. Even it could become permanent injuries. The sportsman will be more highlighted because their field is vulnerable to get injuries. For the example, Brandon Roy from the Portland Trail Blazers, who is an all-star in his second season with averaging 22.5 points per game in basketball at 24 years old, got injured on his right knee in his fourth NBA season. He suffered in his next performance and decided to retire 2 seasons later after a brief comeback attempt with the Minnesota Timberwolves and officially finished playing in the NBA at the age of 28. Imagine if the scientists can do the human cloning, we can help and reduce the recovery time and induce a true healing power from the individual that got injured. Not only the sportsman, many people will be saved because of that finding. The main aim of science is to provide answer. And if we can get some solution on how to fasten the recovery of any traumatic injuries, we can save people's life and career, especially who have huge contribution in sport, so their career won't stop on their youth. Then, giving human cloning a shot can be wise and gobble worth trying. However, until now, there is still no evidence of human cloning that some scientists had done because some of them usually was interrupted, lack of cost, or just a self-claim. For example are 1. In 1988, the scientists in South Korea claimed to have successfully cloned a human embryo. but said the experiment was interrupted very early, when the clone was just a group of 4 cells. 2. In 202, Clonate, part of a religious cult that believes humans were created by extraterrestrial called aliens, held a news conference to announce the birth of what it claimed to be the first cloned human, a girl named Eva. However, the research community and the news media never found any evidence to confirm the existence of this clone. Third, in 2004, a group led by Woo-Suk Hwang of Seoul National University in South Korea published a paper in journal Science in which it claimed to have created a cloned human embryo in a test tube. However, an independent scientific committee later found no proof to support the claim, and in January 2006, Science announced that Hwang's paper had been retracted. The government can consider human cloning to be legalist because of many advantages that it could give for human beings. It will be a long ride and even pricey to provide tools for the scientists in that research and experiment, but for the sake of humans' easier life, it won't be hard to give it a try. That brings me to the end of this talking. Please forgive me if there is anything wrong with my word or video. Actually, I'm feeling quite unwell recently because I've gotten my second vaccine on Wednesday, so I think this video might be turned out not maximal. I just want to remind you, please take care there. Stay healthy and happy everyone. Your health matters. Have a nice day and see ya.